Hi there! In this short tutorial, I will take you through how to send emails using Outlook. My name is Alice from StomaHost. Let's get started. Open your Outlook. Click on New Mail in the upper left corner under the Home tab. The message page appears. Enter your email address in the From field and the recipient's email address in the To field. I'll be sending an email to Sam, so I will enter his email address, sam@sh-demo.com, at the To field. The subject or title of the email should be entered in the subject field. Type the message you want to send in the blank space provided and click on Send. The email was sent successfully. Let's check if the email was delivered to Sam. Checking Sam's inbox, the email was delivered. Let's say Sam replies to the email. Checking back in Outlook, the response email from Sam has been received successfully. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.